Gotów.
Hello and welcome to today's camper van chat. I've just got a bit of new equipment which I want to show you. It's this. It's a sat-nav system. It's from TomTom. It's their camper version. Now, why get a special camper version? I've got two systems on my mobile phone, but they are quite basic and they don't have the details which are, I think, necessary for us campers, and particularly those who have caravans. And above all, what I'm thinking of are things like low-level bridges. For example, I have had the situation in Italy on more than one occasion where there was a bridge which I couldn't get under, but I'm only informed of this a couple of 100 meters before the bridge actually comes up, thus entailing in one case in Sicily a 20-kilometer detour. So it's got that type of information. It's got information about campsites, it's got information about points of interest. So that's one good point. Another thing which I'm thinking about is a plan I've had in my mind for ages now. I've shown journeys which I've done in my van for a number of years, and the longest one, for example, was from Sicily to eastern Poland, which I did in 2013. And what would be great is if I could actually have a bit of maps software and I could actually put these journeys on the map to show you where I was and what I'm doing. Well, apparently I believe I can do it with this. So there's another good thing. This will also work with your telephone, so you get your messages coming up for you as well. I've got a couple of external speakers should they be necessary, but I'm sure it'll work okay, or I hope it'll work okay by itself. I'm going to show you an unboxing. Obviously that's why I've left it in the box, so I was quite excited when it turned up yesterday, but I wanted to show you this, and we're going to use it for the first time today. But before I take it off, I shall give you a quick read of what it says here on the box. So it's got a 6-inch interactive touch screen. Obviously I do things in centimeters normally, 15 centimeters. It's got what it called lifetime, so that means as long as they're producing this product, world maps. You can have updates via Wi-Fi, traffic, and this is based on the experience over the past 10 years. You can get messages, customized routes for campers, road trips, camper points of interest. Now, I often stop my journeys and I sometimes explain to you what's going on in certain places and what's nearby. And so, I mean, this might help not only me but others as well. As magnetic mount and TomTom services via built-in SIM. Now, let's now unbox it. So, and take this off like that. Oh, perhaps that wasn't necessary. So, no, it certainly wasn't necessary to get the knife. There's the box. So, and right, welcome to priority driving. While the road may be for everyone, for you, it will come with a priority lane. Well, that's nice. I might get my own lane to drive in. Book to tell you all about it, I hope. Unit. Holder. Connection. USB. Mount. And USB connector to have it 12-volt supply whilst driving. Right, so that's what we've got here. We're going to try it now for the first time, and I'll do that in another film. And if you've got any questions, please put them below, and I know I'll forget to do this, so remind me, but there'll be a link where you can get it from. Now, the last one I had, I bought it actually at an Auchan hypermarket in Catania, Sicily, but I'm sure they can get these all over the place, and also from road supplies and also on the internet. But anyway, I'll have a link below where to get it from. Okay then, so that's all for today.